So shall we begin? Because we have a lot to talk today, isn't it, Dhwani and Muskan? Lot of things to talk. Yeah. All right. So today हम लोग एक नए फॉर्मेट में जा रहे हैं जिसमें हम लोग नहीं तो एक स्पीकर होता था और वही बात करता था हर टाइम पे. Today we have two speakers and we'll have a sort of discussion for and against the topic, right? So let us see. And ये फॉर्मेट बड़ों के लिए भी खुला है. अभी बच्चों ने शुरुआत की है और बड़े भी इसमें आएंगे तो it will be all the more fun. So these are the leaders of this format. So that is really nice. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you, Dhwani, for consenting to come for this platform. That is really nice of both of you. So I hope ये सबको format पसंद आएगा और हम लोग इसमें और enjoy कर पाएंगे. So today the topic is birthdays. Should it be celebrated lavishly? अच्छा दीदी, not very clear. Just a minute. All right. अभी better है दीदी? हेलो.
हाँ भाभी, अभी ठीक है.
अभी better. ठीक है.
हाँ,
तो
अभी
अभी ये
ठीक है.
नए फॉर्मेट में and I was just saying a thank you to both the girls who have consented to come here and start this new format. And thank you so much, Muskan and Dhwani. And the topic for today's debate is birthdays. Should it be a lavish celebration? And Muskan is speaking for the motion. She believes that yes, it should be a lavish celebration. And Dhwani will be speaking against the motion, that no, we should not be celebrating it in a lavish manner. And after they are done with the debate, they can question each other, they can put questions to each other, and also we all can also participate and put in our views. Please do that. That would be very nice for these girls and for us as well. All right. So let's begin. We'll begin with Muskan because she's speaking for the motion. And then Dhwani, you're going to listen to her first. You can jot down the points, any questions for her. You can always ask her towards the end of your debate as well. And then Muskan, when she speaks, you just jot down the questions and then you can have a interaction with the questions. All right. It has to be a very friendly thing, very cordial thing, very courteous, just putting our viewpoints.
Okay.
Thank you. Please go ahead. Please go ahead, Muskan.
Good evening, everybody. This is Muskan. I studied in Springdale Senior School, Amritsar. My father, Mr. Amit Khanna, is a businessman, and my mother, Mrs. Ripsi Khanna, is a homemaker. I even have a younger sibling. So I always like to participate in debate and declamation competitions. So as you all know that today we have gathered for debate. So I'm going to speak in favor of celebrating lavish birthday parties. So should I begin?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. So a birthday comes once in only 365 days, and it should be celebrated for several reasons. So what I believe is that most of the people over here also, they are keen to celebrate the so-called special day. So I would like to add various reasons why we should celebrate birthday. What I believe is that birthday parties should be celebrated in a fun way, and lavish means to give something in a large quantity. Birthdays are the cause of the celebration as they are the happy events which bring the family closer. Meeting family members during such occasion, they build the family bonds. It allows to cherish the important moments with family, friends, and relatives. Birthday parties even offer great photo opportunities. So as you know, nowadays, the younger generation, basically, they are so attracted towards the photo shoot. And the photo shoot is the main motive of attraction in the birthday parties. So what what they do is they like to upload the pictures of these celebrations on the Instagram, FB, Snapchat to show off the people that they have gone in such lavish celebrations, so which attracts the people's attention also. And nowadays most of the people, they like to celebrate these lavish birthday parties as they have more financial capabilities than before. And one more reason for this is that I believe that preference for spending, it helps in the growth of the economic activities, and it also helps to keep your drive to earn more money. Here I would like to quote an example that when you go to celebrate birthdays in restaurants, you get a benefit only. And these birthday parties, they also help to celebrate victory, as if we throw parties on the colleagues or the staff members, they are more attracted towards it and they work for the benefit or of your business only. So in that way you can, it basically helps to flourish your business. So that would I like to say that today is only chapter. So what I believe is that we should celebrate the birthdays with full zeal and enthusiasm, because this is the only one day which we have for ourselves, which God has gifted us this special day out of those 365 busy days. So we should happily celebrate our birthdays. So that is all.
Thank you, Muskan. You've given us a different perspective on how to celebrate birthdays and why should we be celebrating birthdays, and very logical.
Yes, yes.
Lot of good arguments. Yes, thank you. So let's have other side of the view, how Dhwani feels about the birthday parties. All right, can we have you, Dhwani?
Hello everyone, I am Dhwani Bhatia. I am from class 12th. I study in New Greenfield Public School, Indore, and I am given the opportunity to speak against the topic, that is, birthday should not be celebrated at a very lavish manner, in a very lavish manner. So actually हम कोई भी बर्थडे पार्टी या फिर कोई भी ओकेजन होता है, कोई भी सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं, तो उसके पीछे हमारा मेन मोटिव क्या होता है? दैट इज कि वी सीक हैप्पीनेस and we want to meet our friends, we want to have a time where we can spend time with them, our family members and friends, colleagues, etc. Because in our busy schedule we are not able to meet them. But
Yes.
अगर हम इसको बर्थडे पार्टीज को एक ऐसा वे बना लेंगे कि हमें सिर्फ शो ऑफ करने के लिए या फिर ज्यादा मनी यूज करके दूसरों के सामने ज्यादा मीन्स कि हमारा स्टैंडर्ड अच्छा है या हमारे पास इतना ज्यादा पैसा है, और अगर हम उसको उस वे में लेके चले जाएंगे, तो जो हमारा मेन मोटिव था कि हम सबके साथ मिल बैठ के या फिर सबके साथ मिलकर अच्छे से बर्थडे मना पाते, तो वो हमारा पूरा जो एम था वो एम फुलफिल नहीं हो पाएगा. और दूसरा, अभी आजकल हम लोगों ने ये भी देखा है कि जो भी बर्थडेज और इस सब में इतना ज़्यादा मनी वेस्टेज रहता है, और उसके कारण मतलब हम लोग कहीं न कहीं अपने जो पैसे हैं, इतनी मेहनत से हमने जो कमाए हैं, उनको एक सही डायरेक्शन में यूज़ कर सकते थे, पर हमने उसको बस शो ऑफ करने में या फिर सिर्फ बड़ी-बड़ी डेकोरेशंस करने में वेस्ट कर दिया. जैसे हम हमारे बर्थडेज पे ऐसे फ्रेंडली वेज बना सकते हैं, जैसे हम कुछ पॉटेड प्लांट्स हैं उनको गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, या हमारे बर्थडे वाले दिन हम नेचर में स्पेंड कर सकते हैं अपना टाइम. और आजकल तो कोरोना के समय पे बहुत सारी चीजें हमें ये पता चला है कि हमारे पास जो मनी है, बजट है, हमारे सारे बिजनेस और वो सब भी बहुत डाउन पे चले गए हैं. और अभी कोरोना के समय पे हम बहुत सारे लोगों से मिल भी नहीं सकते, और हमें इससे ये भी पता चला है कि हमारी इमोशनल स्ट्रेंथ, हमारी फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैन एक्चुअली मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स. तो अगर हम उसे उस डायरेक्शन में ले जाने के बजाय नेचर के साथ या फिर एक स्मॉल स्केल पे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. और दूसरा, हम जो हमने वहाँ से पैसे बचाए हम उसे उस काम में लगा पाएंगे, जैसे हम दूसरों की हेल्प कर सकते हैं, ऑर्फनेज में डोनेशन दे सकते हैं, या फिर हम किसी को और दूसरा जैसे हमने बात की कि मनी का एक कोई एंड नहीं है कि हम कितनी स्पेंड कर रहे हैं। हमारे यहाँ पे जैसे सब में ये जेलसी हो जाती है कि उसने तो इतना स्पेंड किया, मुझे उससे ज़्यादा करके देखना है। मुझे उसने उसकी पार्टी में इतने लोगों को बुलाया था तो मुझे भी वैसे करना है। तो वो एक बर्थडे के उस ट्रैक के से एकदम उस पे शिफ्ट हो जाता है, फिर जेलसी और भी कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस आ जाती है, और वो
Right,
हमारा मेन मोटिव को पूरा डेविएट कर देता है।
right,
थैंक यू।
right. Okay,
दैट्स
that's
ऑल।
about it. All right, wonderful, wonderful, Dhwani. The way you contradicted the entire thing with so much of logic and everything. So, any questions right now, Muskan and Dhwani, to each other because you don't agree with each other at this point of time on this topic? So, if you would like to discuss these topics and any questions, any one of you.
Yes, I would like to add one point to it. Can I please?
Yes, please go on, Muskan. Go on.
Yes, as she just mentioned, that we should celebrate the birthdays in the orphanage, do some kind of noble cause. So these things we can do some other day also. Why do people, think about these things on birthdays only? Why this kind of ideology comes to them, especially on the birthdays? We can do such kind of things on some other day also, because this is the only day which we have for us out of those 365 days. This is the only special day which we have. So do you have any
Okay,
views about it?
that's brilliant. That's brilliant, Muskan. Why not other
आई एम
days,
नॉट
Dhwani?
आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हमें ऑर्फनेज में या सब ऐसी जगह पे सिर्फ बर्थडेज वाले दिन ही जाना चाहिए, बट आपका मतलब एम अलग अलग है। जैसे अगर मुझे मतलब दूसरों के साथ मिल के उनको खुश करके अगर खुशी मिलती है, तो दैट्स कि हम अपने बर्थडे को उस तरह से सेलिब्रेट करेंगे तो भी हमें उतनी ही खुशी मिलेगी उनके साथ खेल के, या उनको मतलब उनकी हेल्प करके। सो दैट्स कि हम जितना ज़्यादा खुशी बाँटेंगे, उतनी ज़्यादा हमें खुशी मिलेगी।
Yes, yes. All right. Dhwani, any questions? Muskan, are you satisfied with the answer? Muskan, are you there?
Yes, even I would like to. Yes,
Yeah, go on, go on.
yes, I'm there.
Hmm.
Yes, even I would like to oppose to one more thing which she spoke, that these birthdays, the lavish birthday parties, they spend a lot of money on these. So what I feel is that to reduce this financial burden, what the people can do is that they can start collecting money from the beginning only, like 100 rupees each day, until when the birthday arrives, definitely lump sum amount of money would be collected. So this can also be done if most of the people say that the birthdays cost a lot of money. So I would like to add this point to them.
Okay, all right. So, Muskan, I would like to add, if you're saying 100 rupees per day, so that is approximately what? 36,500? Am I right? So, that kind of amount you would like to spend on your birthday for a birthday party? Okay, it's our day and we should do whatever gives us
No,
happiness on
like
that trip.
no,
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
yeah.
just quoting an example of
Okay,
I'm just quoting an example over here. So like basically on most festivals people they get much amount of money, 500,000, so that can also be collected.
yes, yes. Okay, all right. So you should
Yes,
basically take it from your piggy bank and your savings, whatever pocket money you get,
yes,
whatever gifts you get. So you collect that and then
yes, not
spend it
to
on your birthday.
pressurize the parents. I basic Not to pressurize the parents.
All right, all right. Good one. So Dhwani, anything on this? No, you are happy with this. Any questions to Muskan? Because she was like pro birthday parties. Any questions to her that you did not really find appealing and you would like to, contradict the same?
एक्चुअली शी वाज सेइंग कि बर्थडे पार्टीज हमें इसलिए मनानी चाहिए कि हमें मतलब खुशी मिलती है। बट एक्चुअली हमें मतलब स्पेंड करने में ज्यादा खुशी मिलने से अच्छा कि दूसरों की खुशी में खुशी ढूंढनी चाहिए, छोटी छोटी चीजों में. That
All
would be
right, all
better.
right. Okay. Rather than just spending money and getting happy, कुछ और तरीके से आपको maybe companionship से खुशी ढूंढनी चाहिए, या अपने small things, small laughters and small feelings that you can share with each other. All right. Okay. So that was a very healthy discussion. Muskan and Dhwani, wonderful. Thank you. Can we applaud for both of them? Can we applaud for both of them? It was wonderful. Okay, Ashna, you were commenting something. So if you can just come and talk. Now it's open house. You can all ask questions or maybe just discuss something, what you feel. Yes, Dimple Didi?
Yes, ma'am, may I?
Ashna, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ashna.
Yeah, so basically in this debate, I'm more on Dhwani's side because even I feel that, there's a lot of peer pressure these days. And like
Okay.
talking about my personal experience, I had a party, my birthday party 2 or 3 years ago, and it was
Okay.
just a normal lunch, and I invited my friends. So basically, first thing goes on into preparing the guest list. उसने मुझे बुलाया था तो अब मुझे उसको भी बुलाना पड़ेगा. There is more of a formality. मतलब हमारे साथ वो लोग तो होते हैं who matters, but then हमें उनको भी बुलाना पड़ता है जिनके साथ मतलब एक फॉर्मेलिटी होती है कि मैं उसकी पार्टी में गई थी या उसने मुझे बुलाया, और she is my
Yes.
classmate, so I'll have to call her. So basically,
Yes.
people just keep on adding up like these. Then
Yes.
and the second thing is the expenses. आज कोई भी आप रेस्टोरेंट में जाओ, even if you go for a normal dinner or lunch anything, मतलब हर एक चीज के आपको अच्छे खासे रेट मिलते हैं. And when
हाँ.
it's a party, so there is more of a comparison. उसकी पार्टी में ये था या मेरी पार्टी में ये था. And also the dresses, people are conscious कि मेरे पे ड्रेस ना रिपीट हो जाए, मैंने ये पार्टी में वो पहना या वो पार्टी में ये पहना. तो मतलब जब एक बर्थडे पार्टी होती है तो स्ट्रेस सिर्फ उसको नहीं होता जिसकी पार्टी है, बट इवन ऑल द इनवाइटीज इनको है
Yes.
कि हमें ये पहनना है या उसकी पार्टी में ये था, कुछ रिपीट ना हो जाए. तो वो सारी चीजें भी
Right.
एक काउंट होती है. एंड द सेकंड थिंग व्हिच Dhwani mentioned about the NGOs or donating anything, so that's a very good and a very noble cause. हाँ हाँ, दूसरे दिनों में भी करते ही है, जैसे विंटर्स आते हैं तो ब्लैंकेट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना और एनीथिंग. बट हम मतलब दूसरों की खुशी में जब हमें खुशी मिलती है तो दैट्स मतलब उस चीज का कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है किसी और चीज में. लैविश पार्टी आपको करनी है, आप अपना बर्थडे कैसे भी सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हो. इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर अ पार्टी, कॉल द क्लोज वंस, कॉल योर फैमिली, हैव अ डिनर और लंच विद देम. वो चीज में आपको उतनी खुशी देगी जितनी एक बहुत बड़ी एक लैविश 5 स्टार होटल में आप पार्टी करोगे तो उसका भी.
Exactly.
So I'm more on Dhwani's side basically for this.
Oh, okay. All right. Anybody else who would like to add?
I am
Dimple
on
Didi, would you like to
Muskan's side.
add? Who's
I
that?
am in
Sargam.
Muskan.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm in
Yes,
Muskan.
Sargam.
I'm supporting Muskan because I really don't feel कि मतलब एक बर्थडे लाइक मुस्कान सेड कि 365 डेज में सिर्फ एक दिन हमारा होता है, तो फीलिंग पैम्पर्ड दैट डे, फीलिंग लाइक अ प्रिंसेस, दैट इज नॉट बैड. मतलब होना चाहिए ऐसा. वी शुड सेलिब्रेट इट इन लैविश वे. वो पैम्परिंग, inviting friends, enjoying with friends, that is something very important.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Anybody else? Or कोई?
You are the host that day. You plan the party, अपने according सारी arrangements, then you play games and all. So this is something that shows your planning. तो ये भी बहुत important है.
Right. Right. Okay, that's it.
हाय
Anybody else?
शुचि भाभी,
Yes, Ruchi.
हमारी
दीदी।
जनरेशन को
दीदी
हाँ,
आपकी
मुझे
आवाज
ऐसा
कट
लगता
गई।
है कि पार्शली बोथ पीपल आर राइट. सो यू नो व्हेन अ चाइल्ड इज बोर्न, सब लोग बड़ी लेविशली बर्थडे पार्टीज मनाते हैं. 1 ईयर के बच्चे को पता भी 1 ईयर के बच्चे को पता भी नहीं होता है कि उसका बर्थडे मनाया जा रहा है. सो यू नो दैट टाइम इट बिकम्स
Yes.
मोर ऑफ अ फैमिली गैदरिंग. बच्चा रोता रहता है कि मुझे ये टाइट कपड़े पहना दिए हैं. एंड you know. But then a time comes, जैसे बच्चा 5-6 साल का होता है, उसको समझ आने लगती है कि ये you know, you want to feel pampered, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को बुलाना चाहते हो. उस एज में ना peer pressure नहीं होता. उस एज में they feel, you know, very happy when they call their friends. Are you able to hear me, Bhabhi? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, Ruchi Didi.
हाँ. So
Yes, yes.
but main problem शुरू होती है teenage में. I mean, you know, when it becomes a peer pressure. मतलब till 5 to 12 years शायद बच्चों को बहुत मजा आता है balloons और you know, they get excited कि उनका दिन है, they want to feel like a princess. But after, you know, teenage strikes in, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि peer pressure आ जाता है. तो वहाँ अपने आप को कहीं ना कहीं अपने को कंट्रोल करना है कि ये मेरा बजट है. So this is my budget for the whole year. I have planned it like that. और इसी बजट में I want to celebrate. So both girls are right कि आपको lavish इसलिए होना चाहिए कि you know, at one point of the day आपको लगता है कि लाइफ में ये नहीं किया, regret नहीं होना चाहिए. और at other point it should not become a status symbol कि पिछले साल यहाँ किया था तो इस साल यहाँ करना है. So I am with both the girls.
Okay, all right.
Thank
This
you.
is
As diplomatic as she can ever be.
actually.
So
Okay,
I would also
Bhaiya,
like
what
to.
is your
That is personal
Yeah.
experience.
So what I feel, it is not a. So what I feel is that there was no debate as such, Bhavi. In fact, the topic itself does not warrant a debate, because the point is the lavish for someone may be very pauperish for somebody else. So everything is very relative. And again,
Yes.
khushi for
yes,
someone,
yes,
just like what Muskan said, like spending gives a lot of happiness. Now I tell you what, even spending gives a lot of happiness to me also. But what we are deriving, whether we are deriving happiness by spending and getting that materialistic thing, or what we are spending and seeing that the person who is selling is getting happy, that is also happiness. So it is to each it's his own. Like same act, same thing will give happiness to one person in a different manner and another person in a different manner. So I don't think these things are contradictory. And again, obviously, when we are saying about lavish or luxurious or sumptuous, it is again a very, very, very relative thing. So obviously, we would like, again, अगर हमें किसी चीज में खुशी मिल रही है और वो सिर्फ हमें मिल रही है तो ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. लेकिन अगर हम किसी को दिखाने के लिए वो चीज कर रहे हैं, so then it will not serve any purpose. So when Muskan says, she's absolutely right when she says that this is my day and I want to be happy on that particular day.
yes.
So the Dhwani is also saying the same thing. Dhwani wants to be happy in the same way. Now, the ways can be
Yes.
different, but the idea is to be happy.
Yes.
And similarly, again, regarding the society, abhi जैसे purchasing वाली चीज है, I buy a whole lot of things which probably I will not need. But the idea is that when I buy, it brings happiness to somebody else's place, and seeing him happy actually brings happiness to my face. So I'm not
yes.
being like holier than thou, लेकिन मतलब ठीक है ना, मुझे उसी चीज से खुशी मिल रही है कि मैं जितने लोगों की जिंदगी में कुछ खुशी दे सकता हूँ. So I think that's a very, very, very nice topic and very, very well debated topic. And
Yes.
I would love to listen to other people also. So thank you, Muskan.
Yes.
Thank you, Dhwani. Both of you really made me proud.
Yes. Very well put,
As
Bhaiya. Very
political
well
as
put.
he can be.
Okay, we have diplomatic people and political people in the house, so that's okay. Anybody else who would like to pitch in?
May I
Because we
come-
have different voices. Yes.
Ma'am, may I come in? Can I speak?
Yeah, come. Yeah, please do. I cannot see you, but
Yeah, I'm Gaurav here. Hi.
okay. Hello, hello, Garvia. Yeah, please go on.
See, I heard both of these girls, very
Hmm.
nicely presented and nice thought line that they are moving upon. But just a few things that I would like to ask, one, it's become, I would say, a mandatory thing, it's a birthday, so cake has to be splashed on the face.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes. Muskan, would you like to mention something because you have it all, in your parties and everything? Because nowadays people make 3 or 4 cakes. एक मुंह पे लगाने के लिए, एक दूसरे दिन मुंह में लगाने के लिए. Am I right, Ashna?
But
Himanshi,
this is
Muskan?
not compulsory.
not,
Necessary
but-
नहीं है. This
Yes,
depends.
everyone doesn't
Now
favor
on my
it.
birthday parties it never happened because मैं पहले ही बोल देती थी I don't like this. तो नहीं होता था
Sargam,
मेरे साथ.
Sargam, you missed it.
Sorry.
You missed getting the cake splashed on
And
your face.
and even
Actually, I don't like getting that. मेरे को
what I'm
पसंद
trying to
नहीं है.
say.
But I like doing that.
You like
Ah,
doing that.
see.
Yes, I like doing that, but I don't like when it happens with me.
That's what I'm asking, like if you talk about sustainability, if you refer to the session that we had yesterday, but
Right.
there, like a cake, it's actually food, right?
Yes.
And going down the drain.
Yes.
But again, this is choice. Compulsory नहीं है कि birthday party है तो ये करना ही करना है. It is choice.
Even doctor had it on all of the parties, yeah. That's what I'm writing.
Okay, Ashna, you also have it on your birthday parties, Muskan?
Yeah,
The-
Mami, it's very common. I personally, I don't like it, so I neither do or let anybody do it to me. But then फिर भी कुछ लोग होते हैं ऐसे थोड़ा सा केक लेके आ जाते हैं and then face पे लगा देते हैं. But personally, I haven't done this to anybody because I know a lot of cake is wasted. But it is very common. अब कोई भी birthday party में जाओ, उनके पास 2 cakes होते हैं. One is for that face smashing and the other one
Yes.
is for eating. Very common. Maybe you don't do it, but the
Yes.
whose party is
Yes,
there or
it
the
is.
people there, they do it. It's very common.
But it's
Ashna, you
happening.
mentioned-
Muskan,
seen-
can you answer for this? Yeah, please go on, Bhaiya.
yes,
sorry.
I also even
Bhaiya, please continue.
No, I said Ashna mentioned 2 cakes. I've seen 12 cakes.
Oh.
And probably it was
12
not
cakes.
it was Chona or Patra. But वो पंजाब है तो मैं कहा 12 is a right number to mention.
All right. Okay.
Musu waiting for
Muskan?
you.
yeah, even I think that it's like even I don't like splashing the cake on each other. Even I don't like such things. So that is why I always order one cake on my birthday.
Okay. But
No,
what about lavishness? There's no lavish party then. If you don't splash cake, it's not a lavish party, Muskan.
No, ऐसा नहीं है.
All right.
But
But
nowadays, what
you should know, Otherwise, we'll not believe you.
मेरी पिछली party, it was a lavish party, but उसमें cake ही नहीं था.
Ugly man, ugly. पिछली
But
तो we
अभी
can't. Ugly we need to
for
attend
that
so
you
that.
have to come to Delhi. अच्छा, I think you are in Delhi only.
आहो जी.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm in
Bulao,
Gurugram.
bulao.
Where are you?
Definitely. I'm in Gurugram.
Oh, नेड़े ही है.
हाँ जी.
अब तो जाना पड़ेगा.
बर्थडे भी आ रहा है.
Okay. Yes.
सरगम कौशंबी से भी लोग आएंगे यहाँ.
ठीक है.
सरगम मैं यहाँ पर हूँ इसीलिए बोल रहे हैं भैया आपको.
मुझे पता है.
All right. Anybody
Where is-
else?
I'm waiting for Musu. Where's she?
Muskan?
yeah, I would like to comment to that even that nowadays instead of birthday cakes, what are people using? They are they are using snow sprays. So I think that is a much better option rather than the wastage of the cakes.
Okay.
So that is inflammable.
Oh,
That can catch fire.
be
You have to
careful.
be really, safe on your birthday.
All right. Got it, Muskan? So be careful next time.
And there is one more thing. Nowadays, what friends do is कि वो सुबह सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग दे कम फॉर केक स्मैशिंग एंड ऑल. वो पार्टी पे ऐसा नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज दे नो मतलब वी गेट रेडी, पार्लर से हम रेडी होते हैं, कितने एक्सपेंसिव क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. तो अब फ्रेंड्स थोड़े ऐसे भी हो चुके हैं कि वो सुबह गंदा कर जाएंगे, पार्टी पे नहीं करेंगे.
Okay, this is a whole new level that you're
सरगम, आप
talking
बड़े
about.
हो चुके हो बेटा.
नहीं, ये मेरे साथ होता रहता है.
वेरी ट्रू सरगम. और आजकल मुझे लगता है फोटो शूट में दे आर बिजी, फोटो कॉर्नर्स बने होते हैं, दे गो विद मोर ऑफ प्रॉप्स एंड ऑल दैट.
वेरी
So
राइट.
this is the basic lick.
फ्रेंड्स भी आजकल केक
Yeah,
नहीं लगाते, उनको भी पता है क्योंकि बर्थडे गर्ल के साथ भी फोटोज खिंचवानी है विद प्रॉप्स एंड ऑल.
Okay.
They have to put in the social media actually.
Exactly.
So we have sensible people coming in now in the name of cake smashing. Okay. Anybody else?
Morning वाला
Dimple दीदी
cake
आप बहुत देर से चुप हैं.
You know, it seems we are attending a birthday party.
Dimple दीदी.
आई थिंक बच्चे जब बड़े हो जाते हैं तो हर किसी को अपने वे में खुशी मनाने का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए. सो दिस इज द इंडिविजुअल थिंकिंग्स. बट सरगम बच्चे सुबह आओ के शाम को आओ, केक तो वेस्ट होना ही होना एक.
हाँ जी.
correct.
फूड वेस्टेज तो है, कहीं ना कहीं फूड वेस्टेज तो है.
राइट.
So
But
I
फिर
think
ये
कि
choice है.
on the beginning हम जब जो बताना है हम बता देते हैं. As they enter in the teenage, you all have a full right to decide how you want to be happy. So again it goes to individually. आप lavishly करके खुश हो सकते हो कि आप orphanages में जाके donate करके खुश हो सकते हो. That is everybody's their own choice.
Okay. Great.
So
Great.
One
Anything
question.
else?
we should
Yeah.
have a control on everything.
Dimple दीदी, one question if you permit.
हाँ जी, लेकिन आप अपना दर्शन करवाइए पहले.
अरे
बिना
अल्लाह,
दर्शन किए हम जवाब नहीं देते हैं.
राइट ऑफ. डिम्पल दीदी, ये आपने जो
हाँ जी.
बच्चों का बोला बड़े हो गए, ये आप कौन से वाले बोल रहे थे, 2 पाँव वाले या 4 पाँव वाले?
2 पाँव वाले, 4 पाँव वाले बेचारे हमेशा डिपेंडेंट रहते हैं. If we say कि yes today you do this, so they'll listen to us. वो हमारी सुनते हैं, इतनी जल्दी out of the way जाते नहीं है.
नहीं, the moderator stumped on my question. Actually डिम्पल दी से बात करो तो पहले पूछते हैं कौन से बच्चे से बात करनी है, 2 पाँव वाले से या 4?
Exactly. I agree to that. लेकिन मेरे 4 पैर वाले बच्चे मेरे को मेरा चेहरा देख के खुश हो जाते हैं, तो केक इतना मायने नहीं रखता उनके लिए.
Okay. इसमें I would like to add, जैसे आप 2 पाँव 4 पाँव कर रहे हो, मेरी friend US से last year India आई and she told me I'm coming for my mama's birthday. I said okay, mama's के birthday है, 50th birthday है, whatever ऐसा birthday होगा celebrate. So she came over and then I got to know उसके डॉग का बर्थडे. नानी ने एक पेट डॉग रखा था और नानी उसकी मदर को और डॉग को इक्वल रखती थी. मतलब वो भाई बना हुआ था उसकी मदर का, तो उसके मामा हुए और वो प्रॉपर flew down for that birthday, lavish birthday party. They called I think like 200-300 people for a dog's birthday. 4 पाँव वाले. That's how you can say. So people.
So that is
can be happy.
again हर किसी की अपनी सोच है और अपनी खुशी को ये सेलिब्रेट करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी है.
Yes. Okay, so I think सबने कह दिया. And Muskan, your friends are here. If they would like to come in, any of the friends and whose camera is not on, I cannot see them. Anybody here? I should close the debate.
Ami, can I add something?
Yeah, please go on.
Yeah, अब जैसे बहुत लोगों के ना लॉकडाउन में भी बर्थडेज हुए, but they didn't get the opportunity to have a lavish party or something. But then also किसी ना मतलब सबने कैसे ना कैसे celebrate किया. They had these virtual video conferencing or even the मैंने जैसे कोई कार्ड बना लिया और अपनी फ्रेंड को कोरियर कर दिया, या जो आसपास रहते हैं तो वो लोग चले गए मिलने. एंड मतलब अभी भी कैसे था कि nobody could meet और you can't throw any lavish party, but फिर भी लॉकडाउन में भी काफी लोगों ने अपना बर्थडे बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट किया with minimum cost and maximum the happiness and everything.
Yes.
So मतलब वही है कि it doesn't matter कि आप अपना बर्थडे कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो, until and unless you are happy, that's all that matters.
Yes, yes, exactly. It's a very relative thing again. Okay, Muskan, the final verdict. What do you say now?
बट ये मजबूरी थी काफी
So-
लोगों की.
Yes.
काफी ऐसे
So
तो
you-
बस कोई बात नहीं, इस बार ऐसे ही